come join me. Guess what we're making today? Woohoo! And I have a new tip for you. I'm making a cake in a bread machine. Stay tuned. Little tip for you on the bread machine. I'm learning as I go along and talking to other people. Putting butter on that thing right there makes the paddle come off easier. Alright. Now sometimes that paddle gets stuck on there for me. I don't know why, but I always had that issue. Alright, here on the recipe, it'll tell you 1 cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. We're not doing that. Here we're going to cut the water back 1/4 cup. So we're only putting 3/4 cup in there. And we're going to use the half a cup of oil. But on the eggs, we're only doing 2. And believe me, I tried it and this person was right. The texture is amazing. So, let's get this baby all put together. Alright, we only put in the 3/4 cup of water. Get that out of our way there. And over here, we're going to do a half a cup of oil, like the recipe says. And you know, I just use regular little vegetable oil. And now we're only going to put in 2 eggs, remember? Alright, got our 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of water, half a cup of oil. Goes into the machine. And I have the KBS, and we're going to put it on number 10, the cake setting. And I want the color light, because if you do, I found out on mine, when I do it, if it's on medium or dark, it makes a, you know, crust on it or whatever a little hard. So I keep it on light. Alright, it says 1 hour and 33 minutes. We'll have a cake. And there we go. And we're going to come back here in a little bit and check on it and see how it's doing. Ooh, it's done, it's done. Let's pull this thing out. And we're going to let it cool. Get a hold of it here. Twist it. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. Mmm. Yummy. Check that out. Check it out. How beautiful it turned out. And when I buttered the paddle, it stays in there. Let's see how easy it'll come out. Ta-da! So putting a little butter around that thing there, it really helps it out. We'll put some icing on this and have us a cake. Alright everyone, here it is, all done, iced. Yeah, look at, I'm not the perfect cake icer. But remember, if you have a bread machine, make a cake in it. Just on this Pillsbury mix, and I'm sure it worked with the other brands. 1 less egg and 1/4 cup water less. Makes it an amazing cake. Are you hungry yet? Ooh, look at that chocolate.